Most of you know I will be breastfeeding this pregnancy. After I lost Caden, I did breastfeed for a little bit, but it didn't last very long. So I got sent an electric breast pump that's hands-free. The company is called Bellababy. It reminds me a lot like Mom Cozy, so I do have both, and we're going to compare them once the baby is here. But I do have this for right now. And I'm just going to show you like what it all comes with, what it looks like, since I can't breastfeed just yet. So this is what the packaging looks like from the outside. I did get it in the color gray. Right off the bat, this pump is super gorgeous. And what I like about it is that you can put it in any of your bras. You don't have to buy a certain one for it to fit. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. It does come with its own chargers, and it comes with a little bag for carrying purposes and storage. And this is what the top looks like. These are the settings. It is an electric breast pump that is hands-free. So yeah, I am super excited to try this. Again, I do have to wait until baby Oliver's here to do so, but for now I can look at how gorgeous it is.